Instead of that, system is taking care of. Now you can click on Close. Wizard is completed. Here you can click on Close and you search for the deep edge. Click on Close. And search for the deep edge on the top D_cat fact. DNS_cat fact. You can see the source of a deep is not just open this data page and see the source. Come down and see the source. See the source is connected right. And the type is REST integration and the connector name is cat fact. You can open that cat fact, click on the crosshair icon. Click on the crosshair icon beside cat fact. Just open that rule. Cat fact. This is a connectorist rule. Click there. You see the top, you see the rule name is there. That is connectorist. Resource path. Resource path is a URL which you have given. Okay, you understood right how the system has taken care of everything created through Wizard. Or else these things are all you have to configure manually. That is a very hectic task. Something will go wrong. Okay, and go to the data page. You can click on Actions and run. Data page, is there right? No, the data page. Okay, you can remove. Nothing input is required. Just remove the fact, okay. Click on Run once. We should not select that fact parameter. We have checked one checkbox right in starting. We are getting error right C. Because we are getting error is like, no input is required, go to just refresh. Or just close and open the run window again. Close this window. Open again Actions and run again. You click on Run directly now, before clicking on Run, you just select that flush. No, keep that fact like that only and unselect that flush. Yeah, now you run it. Yeah, now we are getting it right. The report has most widespread of big cats. Okay, now we are getting it right. This is the result. Right now, let's say trace it. I will show you how to debug. Okay, now we are getting the data on data page right, so we can show the data on somewhere else. Okay, on screen. You can show okay, that all configuration. We will not do now. Okay, you are getting a data. Now let's debug how to debug, let's see. Okay, because debugging is important, right? Yeah, click on Trace. Open the settings of a tracer. Yeah, come down. No, go to the top. 1 second. You select services. Is there right? You select that services checkbox. You can remove that queue processing. Queue processing is not required and go to the top. Slowly. Now come down. Those are all things you always keep. Okay, don't remove those things. Come down. Whatever the rules you are tracing. Whatever the thing you are tracing, if you didn't select services here, okay, it will not trace connectors part. If you are tracing report definitions, okay. You have to select DB query. Is there DB query and DB cache? Those things you have to if you are tracing a flow. You have to select a flow here. You might ask, right, why can't we select all and keep it like that? If we select all, what happens? The tracer will link it. Then we have to analyze everything. Whatever the required you just select here, so that we will only analyze those things, right? Suppose there is some error coming in activity. Okay, why to check the DB cache, DB query flows null? We can only check the activities right. So if you have selected everything here, what will happen? The size of a tracer increases and the analysis will become difficult. Okay. Click on OK. On the top. You can remove the break. On the top, you can remove break conditions. Is there an exception? You can remove. Now you can click on OK. Services you have selected. Now go and click on Run in a data page. You select the flush. Okay, you have to always click on flush. Flushes, it will get the fresh data. Yeah, run it. Tracer is tracing right, just check. You open the tracer, tracer is getting traced right. No, not from here. You have already opened one tracer, right? Pause it. Okay, you have completed the tracing, pause it. Now you see, here we are tracing it, okay. Every time you remember this thing blindly. Okay. Every time for connect REST the request and response will be present on it. There is one page. Remove right page. Remove D11. D31453. That page is there right on step number 89. There is one page remove and there is one page write. D31145. All the connect REST. Whatever the connect REST it may be, it will create one page like this, okay, in the ending of a connect REST. It will create one temporary page like, not only like D311. It will create with D as a starting and some random number after it.